Hello friends, today is Wednesday, 7 May, and I just now come back from my jogging, my today jogging. Um, this week is great week, but not great how I planned. I will be honest and I will be honest and every day I jogging, but one day I'm all day is sleeping. This day my energy is zero. I don't know why. About English, I'm learn English a little. I want learn English more, but I was constantly distracted. And every day I training my English uh, maybe 30 minutes. I'm reading a children's story, reading transcriptions, and all other time I'm using Duolingo only. About smoking, I'm not buy cigarettes and I not smoking cigarettes, but I free times go in hookah bar and use hookah. And this week I'm not eat sugar and not drink coffee. So result this week I feel I feel much better, and I think about and I think what I in a right way. The next week I am planned delayed the next week I planned delayed games in my telephone and and not watch funny videos on YouTube. This thing is very distracted me on this week. I am very like play in Call of Duty on my phone, but I think I need delete this game. She take very many time from me. Tomorrow, yesterday, today, tomorrow, right? 1 second. Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow I go in my new work. I be cook now on the restaurant out out of city of my city, and first time I'm believe on the work. The where I'm be get a more a salary because I'm change my work. And the next week I'm planned the more dopamine hungry for I was getting bored, and I more time take for my English. And last today I'm wake up. I'm take I'm wake up in the morning. I'm take my phone and see what I and see a new followers. Today I'm get 2 followers, Ilona and Adam. Thank you for watching and following. Thank you. We give me more motivation, and we made my day today. We made my day today is great day. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.